Greetings, I am Angelina, your dedicated DoTalk assistant. Together with my team, we aim to assist you in effortlessly adding and inviting new friends and contacts to your DoTalk account.
To begin, please launch the app and navigate to the News Feed page. Next, locate the contacts icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and tap on it.
Then, simply tap on the blue Add Friends icon, located at the top of the page.
There are 5 simple ways you can use to add new contacts and friends on the Add Contact page. To start, you can easily search for friends who are already on the platform by typing their name into the search bar, located at the top of the page.
Once you locate your friend or contact's profile, simply tap on the Add button. This will immediately send a friend request to them. It's a quick and easy way to connect with people you know and start communicating.
With DoTalk, you can also send an invite in your contact's native language. For example, if your contact's language is Arabic, then the invite can be sent in Arabic, so he or she will understand the invitation when they receive it. There are over 90 languages to choose from in this feature.
Share your unique DoTalk QR code with friends and contacts to add them instantly, without the hassle of manually searching and adding new contacts.
Another quick way of adding friends is by accessing your phone book. Invites can be sent to multiple contacts and friends in just seconds.
You can also send an invitation in a private message and in multiple languages, making the invitation more personal. And finally, you can send invites to your contacts by email, WhatsApp, WeChat, Messenger, Signal, Telegram, Zello, KakaoTalk, and much more. If you need any further assistance, please send us a private message to info@dotalk.com. Thank you for watching this video.